Welcome back to All Natural Candies, guys. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So, today we're going to be doing a Smack or Fact challenge. And I don't want to say this my YouTube, so I don't know it goes. So, we both have 15 questions, and whoever gets it wrong will get smacked with flour. So this is the flour edition, guys. Like, and I don't know who we're going already.
Yeah, boy.
Like, I don't know who we're going already. So let's get straight into this video. So we're gonna rock paper scissors to see who go first. The best 2 out of 3. Ready? Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Alright,
So me, I go first, guys.
I don't win anyways, so come.
My first question is, what is my favorite day of the week?
Your favorite day of the week? Friday.
Nope.
Oh, you mean everybody love Friday? Which day is that?
My favorite day of the week is actually Sunday.
Me did I say that anyway. Just make that one there part.
Alright. Look at that. For no.
Alright.
For no.
My question, okay? What is my middle name?
Tanoya.
Okay, she just get one right so far.
Tanoya, guys.
She just get one right so far. Come again.
Anyways. A line that I love to say.
You must lick your head.
Nope.
Yes? You always say that to me. You always said.
The line that I love to say, guys, is, how could I cause this?
Never been seeing this yet.
She loves say you must lick your head. She said, look up here, so. She lie? Okay then. Let me pop on that side here. Alright, can you go on like, how many siblings do I have overall?
Okay, let's see.
Come the time ago.
How many siblings you have?
No. How many siblings I have overall? Like how many siblings I have?
Yeah.
That take too long, so.
You have 3.
Nope. 4.
But the other one, something there.
The person was still my sibling, so I forget him. I said overall. No. I said overall.
No.
Come. You now have no behavior. I said, oh. You're tired.
Okay.
Woo. I should open up new ones.
The sign I rule under.
Sagittarius. My question. How many kids do I want to have in the future and which gender? What's gonna get this right? Chuku.
Boy and girl.
Wrong one. Why would I want to go hospital 2 times?
You don't come from planet Earth.
One girl. Next side. Ooh. Go for number 1.
Which app do I use the most?
WhatsApp.
Wrong. Snapchat. I take a lot of snaps daily. Next time.
Whatever. What is my mother's middle name? My mother's middle name is Marsha. Oh, you don't know that. I don't know your auntie name, brother.
Which specific class am I in at school?
Oh, me know. You know. know what they call the class, but 8 love, 8 faith.
I did tell you.
You never tell me that.
Of course.
What?
I always say
What?
8-4.
Oh.
Oh. Your turn. You want to play your card?
Girl, just the. Girl, no, I'm not laugh. Like, my next question: who is my favorite foreign artist at the moment? You're not, but you're not even listen to her, but you know who.
I don't know, Tatiana.
Who?
Tatiana.
You miss it by the bell, yeah. You miss it by the bell.
Tatiana.
Yeah.
Hi. What is my favorite song?
Your favorite song?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, me if you know that, girl. Give me one hint.
By a woman artist.
By a woman. Jamaican?
No.
No. Gospel?
Mm-hmm. Want to skip?
No. Buyers? Wait, we never done. What is that name? She ever see?
You organ. Even a girl party now, she want to skip?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, I want to skip. Tell me who.
You say.
Me know you know. Me know say that.
What is my middle name? Spell it.
Me can't spell it. She name Rihanna. I don't know if I can spell it right. Rihanna.
R-I-A-N-N-A.
R-I what?
R-I-A-N-N-A.
Whatever. Me still get it right.
I said spelling.
Me still get
It includes spelling. Come.
Me still. Look how you do my face.
I'm not here.
Which class am I in? I can't get this brother. Let me see. 4 in this way I have to say.
No.
No, you have to.
I'm not even a try.
No, you have to try. You have to try. Come, girl.
People, I don't know so much just.
What your
You can give me
face?
panda
All
side.
I put no.
You can give me panda side.
What your face?
You can give me panda side.
Well, move your hand. Oh, you finna know something in a 10 age. No, I'm always a talk about it. Why?
Fruit.
Favorite fruit?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, if you know that, girl. You eat every fruit. Mango?
Nope. Grapes.
Girl.
Yes, Candice?
Give me panda side. Give me back panda side. My neck, no, people, look how she. That one they act,
For
girl.
my face and in my nose.
Who is my favorite brother?
Tevez.
Okay then.
Wow.
Next.
What's my dream car? Be specific.
Remember, be specific. Is either a Lamborghini or a. Wait, can name? M. It start with M. Mercedes Benz. BMW. BMW. A BMW. Oh, me don't know that. Me don't know all car type, go girl. What you mean? A BMW. Me know a car as.
Oh, okay. BMW M6.
Oh, me didn't even know say a M6. Anyway, I don't know a car like that. Something I love doing. My favorite hobby. Let's see if I get this right. Get up. One. The question is close. The time.
Let's see.
What me ever do? What me ever do?
When you like video people,
What me ever do?
you ever video people?
No girl. Me ever text. Me ever text. Me ever text.
Oh.
Me ever text. Come. Which one are you? Emotional video. No sir.
What's my favorite brand?
What is your favorite brand?
Mm-hmm.
Victoria's Secret. Wrong. What is
My
your
favorite
favorite
brand is Jordan.
girl?
Yeah?
Yeah. No. My question. Look, me not laugh. Name the schools I attend in the right order from basic to high school.
De La Vega City Basic School, Spanish Town Primary School, Belmont Park Primary School.
Alright. Your turn. What are you saying? Gone up in my nose. Okay.
Which ocean are in at school?
Which also in a?
It's obvious.
It's obvious.
It's obvious, like.
It's either red house or purple house, you know. Purple. Woo. I'm feeling good. My question. Name 4 of my future career.
You want to be a chef? And an entrepreneur. Oh God, you could have said 2.
4. Your time.
You want to be an accountant?
Anything when you say the account, you know, you're wrong or you're right, it's the account. Your time.
I don't know. What for career?
Photographer. What if you? Next side. Yeah, no, man.
Wow. What's my mother's full name? This easy.
Alright, so your mother first name, Aclasia Nicole Lee.
Yeah.
And my auntie, so me have to know about her. Not me, you get them wrong, but if you get them wrong. A place other than Africa I would love to visit. Everybody want to go, yes, girl. Everybody.
I don't think me.
Come. I have a bit act.
I don't know. Paris?
No, Dubai. No, she said Paris first, so she gonna get the box. Go. Next, no. Go.
I'm gonna lock my eye. Anyway. Much more question you have like?
4.
What's my favorite sport?
Your favorite sport? Netball.
Wrong.
What you mean it wrong?
Don't have one.
Yeah, if she don't have one, you can't ask the
I don't have
question.
one. That was
If
the
she
trick.
don't have one, she can't ask the
Who's supposed to know
question.
me?
If you don't,
supposed to
girl,
know
no,
me?
you have to like at least. She have to like at least one sport. She have to like at least
And if
one.
you want me to like at least one sport, it's not netball, that'll be swimming.
Whatever. Alright, take.
No,
Alright.
for the next side. On the next side. Behavior. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Alright, girl. You have to get that box before I'm done. My favorite foreign language.
Foreign language?
My goodness. I'm sitting down a bit on my nose.
I don't know. But you can't get more than one chance?
No, girl. Could I never?
I don't know. I would subject,
Which subject? Which fine subject?
French or Spanish?
one answer question.
Nah, get it French.
You're wrong. Me not even know nothing in a French.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Oh, you're so fool. Alright, come. Your time.
What would I like to be when I grow up?
What would you like to be when you grow up? An entrepreneur?
Nope.
Everybody want to be entrepreneur.
No.
What you want
Sorry,
to
a pediatrician because I love kids.
be? Me never remember. So.
I never remember either.
Girl, said you. No, me up to deal with you about it. Name one of my biggest fear.
To lose someone you love?
One of my biggest fear.
To lose someone you love?
Me not think so. No.
You're afraid to lose someone you
Whatever.
love?
Whatever. Me just give what you say one in a word.
Thank you.
No, I think gonna be on. Because you know my fears.
Let's see. Mine done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Me tell you 50.
Yeah.
Me have 2 more questions, so you go answer. No, me I give you 1 more question. My favorite thing on a person. When me see on a person to make me jump and go and mad.
Dimples.
Girl, me.
People.
Ready? Wait, me let me know it.
Everything in there.
Girl, mind your ear. No. Yo, oh, people. Yo, you know who get most of them right? Me. Me get most of them right. She's some girl. Guys, that is it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up because look on my face, on my ear. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, people. Jesus. Leave a comment, guys. So this is the end of the video.
You shake my mind.